So today I'm making one of my favourites, slow cooker bolognese. A variation of this recipe is in my slow cooker recipe book, which is available on Amazon or as an instant digital download. I will put the full ingredients list in the description down below and on the blog, but today's ingredients are 500 grams of mince, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, a beef stock pot, so I'm using the one with red wine in it, as well as 150 millilitres of red wine, but this is optional, you can make it without the wine. I'm also adding 2 bay leaves and 2 teaspoons of mixed dried Italian herbs. Then the veg I'm using are carrots, celery and onions. There are plenty of different ways to make a bolognese, so do feel free to adapt this depending on how you prefer to make yours. I tend to vary mine depending on what I have available. So let's get on with preparing it. So start by chopping up the onions, celery and carrots into smallish chunks. Then add the raw mince to the slow cooker. You can brown the mince first if you want to, but honestly I rarely bother. I just add it straight in because it's much easier. So try and break it up when it goes into the slow cooker, either now or when you mix everything together. Then add the chopped vegetables, the bay leaves, crush the garlic cloves in, the tomato puree and chopped tomatoes. The ingredients don't have to be added in this order, it doesn't really matter as you're going to be stirring it all around before cooking it anyway. Add the dried herbs, then the red wine if you're using it. Then I dissolve the stock pot in about 50 millilitres of hot water and then stir everything around until it's mixed. So put the lid on and set it off on low for around 7 or 8 hours. While that's cooking away, let me remind you that this recipe is also on the blog at Liana's Kitchen, where you can print it out. The links are in the description down below. So now back to the bolognese. Lift the lid off and give it a good stir. If it's too watery for you, you can mix a little corn flour with some water and stir it in and leave the lid off for the last 15 to 20 minutes while you cook the spaghetti. Depends on how you like to serve your spaghetti bolognese. You can either add the cooked spaghetti into the bolognese or plate them up separately. Oh, and I love to sprinkle mine in cheese, of course. And that's it. A really simple and really tasty slow cooker bolognese. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And let me know in the comments, what's your favourite thing to make in the slow cooker? I'd love to know. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.